Stop over explaining and sound more professional. Many professionals think this makes them sound better, explaining more, adding more details, talking longer. But in reality, the more you explain, the less professional you sound. Today, I'll show you why over explaining hurts your communication and how to fix it. The hidden problem. Over explaining doesn't come from lack of knowledge, it comes from uncertainty, fear of being misunderstood, or trying to sound safe. So people add extra details, repeat themselves, justify their ideas, and it weakens their message. Here's what over-explaining sounds like. So basically what I was thinking was that maybe we could try to look at this again, just to make sure. I just want to explain a little more about why I think this might be a good idea. This sounds unsure, indirect, and low confidence. Here's what professional communication sounds like. Let's review this again. This is the better option. This is short, clear, done. Executives don't explain more, they explain better. The core shift. Stop trying to explain everything. Start focusing on saying the right thing once. The executive formula. Here's the structure. Make your point, then pause. It's not point, explain, repeat, justify. Say it clearly, then stop. Here's why over-explaining hurts you. It signals lack of confidence, lack of clarity, and lack of authority. Even if your idea is correct, people trust the person who speaks clearly, not the one who speaks the longest. Remove filler language. These are the biggest problems. Just, maybe, I think, kind of, sort of, incorrect. I just think maybe we should kind of. Correct. We should. Stop repeating yourself. Repeating doesn't make your message stronger. It makes it sound weaker. If your point is clear, you don't need to say it again. Stop justifying everything. This is a big one. Incorrect. The reason I think this is because. Incorrect. I just wanted to explain why. Executives don't justify every decision. They state and move forward. How to use silence. This is very powerful. After you speak, pause. Silence shows confidence, control, and authority. Most people rush to fill the silence. Executives don't. Here's some examples. Before versus after. before. Yeah, so I just wanted to say that maybe we could look at this again because I think there might be some issues. After, we should review this again. Same idea, completely different level. In meetings, over-explaining, waste time, loses attention, reduces impact, clear communication, holds attention, moves decisions forward. Here's a simple upgrade you can use today. Before you speak, ask yourself, can I do this in one sentence? Then do it. Here's a practice exercise. Today, try this. Say your point in one sentence only. No explanation, repetition, justification. Just one clear statement. My final thought. Professional communication is not about saying more. It's about saying less, better. When you speak clearly and stop, people listen, not because you said a lot, but because you said exactly what mattered. If you're serious about improving your English for real professional situations, I offer private one-on-one coaching. We focus on how you actually speak in meetings, conversations, and daily work, so you sound more confident, more natural, and more in control. If you'd like to work together, you can reach out directly at ericzna@hotmail.com.